We are looking at the BESWIT remote control drift car in this video. So this comes with a remote control, obviously, the car itself, a screwdriver, high-speed tires ×4, 2 separate rechargeable batteries, and some pylons as well, which makes it extra fun to play with. So the car itself is super fast, as you can see in the video here. Works great on pavement, asphalt, dirt roads, sand roads. It really can handle wherever. Battery powered, as far as the material goes on the car, it's polyvinyl. And as you can tell here, it's just like a vibrant blue with a orange stripe, with the headlights even lighting up, which is kind of fun. If you bring it out at dusk, you get a little bit of a headlight glow from this. It's made of super strong material. It has a flexible anti-collision shell on there. If you end up smacking it into anything, it is all good. A super fun toy to play with. Definitely recommend it. Check it out.